All right, here are the instructions for the DyeBold app iOS version. If you have already downloaded the app and you're having issues with the app, go ahead and delete it completely. And next, you should click on the link that I have sent you. Then click on View App Store and click Download. Now click on Open, Allow, Continue. Make sure to click on Install DyeBold app. And once you do that, you will have access to the app basic functions so that you can go ahead and select Next, Start, and with the plus sign, you can select the target color. Then to be able to use the current function, you will need to enter a code that's individual to each purchase. And once you do that, you have access to the full functionality of the DyeBold app. If you have any questions using the app, or if you have any issues with the code or the download, go ahead and send me a message and we'll go from there. And remember, live your life in colors.